I'm Dennis Howard and welcome back to the track. In today's episode, we head down to sunny San Diego, where Dave and the team at Marathon Construction give us insight into how telematics help track machines and estimate costs for jobs ahead.
This project is a 8-year restoration project. The earthwork portion of the work will take about 2 years. The end result of the project, they want a viable and healthy ecosystem. So there's 5 years of plants growing and maintaining and making sure, or in the early years, they're watering the plants, and by the end, they weaned off the watering to make sure they can grow naturally. One of the things that we certainly liked on the new Deere equipment was the My John Deere telematics that come with it. The trucks actually have the ability to tell you how many tons they carried each day and how many trips they took each day. And they actually tell me exactly how much fuel I'm burning per hour. So those are valuable pieces of information in the future when I'm estimating other jobs. So I really like that aspect of it.
Production cost, equipment rates, and fuel consumption all add up when bidding on a project like this. Tracking the amount of dirt you move, the fuel you burn, and the time it takes you to do all these things takes a lot of guesswork. This takes the guesswork out of the calculations. Dave and Marathon Construction are moving 1.5 million yards of dirt in over 24 months, and each load can be tracked in real time, all from the comfort of his desk.
A lot of old jobs, we'd actually hire somebody to sit there and count a clicker every time a truck went by so that you knew how to truck count. That happens automatically through the telematics, so we don't need to do that. That saves some money. The guys will come in and tell me, oh yeah, we moved 4,000 yards a day, but I'll have data to prove, yeah, you did, or no, you didn't, which is going to be more accurate across the whole 1.5 million yards that we're using on this job. We recently completed another big earthwork project. I don't have a great handle on how much money I spent on fuel on the job. You know, if I go look through 4 years of receipts, that doesn't tell me a whole lot. This telematics data gives me actual consumption rates for each machine. As soon as I decide how many hours I need on the machine, I turn that into a fuel cost. With the telematics, all the equipment that's out here is hooked up. The RDO service department gets alerts directly to them, so I don't even need to call them and tell them I've got a problem, whatever it may be. Same with any sort of maintenance sort of thing. If there's an oil change that's needed, they know, they coordinate it, they schedule it, they come out. The service department's taking really good care of us and keeping the equipment running here on this project.
Wow, thanks Dave. Truly incredible. Can't wait to see the lagoon project take shape with the plants and the birds surrounding the bay. What a beautiful area. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe and give some of our other videos a watch. See you soon. Cool lagoon project. Telematics give you official logistics.
No, not that part.
When I read it, I knew we were probably looking at a lagoon, not a lagoon, but I was pretty sure we weren't. And here's a peanut.